Some nights feel heavier than the day that came before them. Questions echo louder in the silence, and fear tries to speak first. That there is a name that stands above the storm, a voice that stills the chaos within my soul. And in this moment, with all that I am, I call your name. In the stillness of the dark, when my heart forgets the lie, when the shadows start to whisper, and I'm barely holding on, I don't have the strength to stand. I don't have the words to pray, but I lift my eyes to heaven. You have never turned away. When my breath is running thin, you are closer than my skin. I call your name when I can't find a way. Be my refuge, be my shelter through the night, into the day. When the weight is on my chest,